My name's Dylan Hirsch. We're in Latham in Midwest WA. We run almost 6,000 hectares, mix of wheat, barley, canola and lupins, and program. We still run Tyne seeders here. Wanted to maintain more residue in that system, and we see a real synergy with those crops and maintaining soil cover, so that's why we've gone for the disc option. We've tried wide row lupins and canola with our Tyne bar before, and we thought that system worked for us, and I thought, okay, well, if we're going wide row, maybe there's a ability to build something ourselves with a small number of row units and open up that option. So we ended up getting some 22 Gent Openers and retrofitting them to a scarifier bar that we had on farm. So when we first thought about setting this up, we thought, oh, this might be an interesting tool that we can use in some situations for some of our canola and lupins. We ended up being really happy with the job it was doing, so we've done about 6,000 hectares in 2 years. All our lupins and canola have been sown with a disc unit this year. After the first year of seeing how the discs have gone through some reasonable residue, I was confident that we could actually incorporate a stripper front and be able to harvest some of our cereal crops, knowing that we could seed successfully into them with lupins and canola the next year, and as well as being able to hopefully increase the amount of residue we're keeping in subsequent years after that. Going forward, we'll certainly continue to use this disc seeder for subsequent crops, especially in that lupins and canola. The ability to retrofit an existing toolbar and get into wide row discs for lupins and canola has made it a really economical option of not only giving us an alternate seeding system to use, but also increasing our seeding capacity in hectares an hour. I do think the disc seeding system strongly favours the narrow row spacings. I think if we were going to set up a dedicated bar for cereals, I would probably set it up as a narrow row spacing bar, 7.5 or 10-inch spacing, but still set it up so that I can sow, in every second one for lupins and canola, because I do think having that option is beneficial in a lot of situations. I'm very pleased with how the Gent Openers have worked for us, and I'm sure they'll last many more years here.